YouTube videos require a different editing style compared to movies or traditional videos. Fast pacing, clean cuts, subtitles, music, sound effects, and engaging visuals all play a huge role in keeping viewers watching. And Adobe Premiere Pro is still one of the best tools for YouTube editing in 2026. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit YouTube videos in Premiere Pro step by step. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project for your YouTube video. Now import all your video clips, audio recordings, music, images, and graphics into the project panel. Drag your main footage onto the timeline to automatically create a sequence with matching settings. To make the video feel more dynamic, add subtle zoom effects, movement, or crop animations using keyframes. Background music helps maintain energy and improves viewer engagement. So choose music that matches the mood of your content. And that's your full guide on how to edit YouTube videos in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create cleaner, faster, and more engaging YouTube content using Premiere Pro.